How to fix portrait mode not working on Android. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you're going to have to go ahead and open up your camera app. And once you open up your camera, you will find the portrait mode right besides the photo mode. But when you get to the portrait mode, you should be able to go ahead and take a picture. And what it does is it will automatically blur out the background. And depending on your choice, you could also choose the intensity of the blur. But if this is not working for you, the first thing you're going to have to do is long press on the camera app, tap on the eye icon that you see, and once you tap on it, you'll be taken to the settings menu. Once you land on the settings page, simply go ahead and scroll down until you find storage. Make sure to clear cache. So tap on clear cache, go back, and then from here you can head over to battery. Make sure the battery usage is set to optimized or unrestricted. And finally, make sure all of these permissions are turned on because the app requires them to run smoothly. Once that is done, you could also try to force stop the app because if there are any background activities going on, it will completely stop them. Then just give your phone a quick restart and your portrait mode should start working again. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful and I'll see you on the next one.